Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Ayan, so matagal-tagal din kaming nawala. Pero yeah, we're back to vlogging again. Yeah, that's life. Anyway, we are heading to the mall today. But before that, we're gonna stop by at the water refilling station. Magpa-refill tayo ng water, guys. Tapos, i-drop off din namin yung aming mga bedsheet kasi, yeah, kailangan na nating labhan kasi hindi siya kaya ng ating washer, guys. So, kailangan talaga yung heavy duty na machine para malabhan ng maayos. Yeah, today nga pala is Sunday, guys. Hapon na. So, mag-grocery lang kami and ano pa ba? Yeah, we're gonna take you guys to our day. So, ayan yung police station dito sa aming area. Hindi siya klaro eh. So, marami ng ano dito. Oh. Dito sa amin guys, para na siyang sandali lang. Later na lang guys, magbalik ko kay na anak ko diri sa ano. Oh yeah, it's just next to the water refilling station is closed. I'm gonna
go find out how long they're gonna stay open.
Yeah.
I had to drop it off, pick it up tomorrow.
Okay. Alright. Palabas ata guys. Okay, ayan. So, kada-drop off lang namin ng ng mga laundry. So, hopefully ma-pick up pa namin ng 8 kaya gibutang naman rin nila sa sa machine. Yan.
Yes.
Okay.
One coming up on the right.
Oh yeah, this side. Tapos guys, close yung yung water refilling station. Maghahanap na lang ako ng other water refilling station para ma-fill natin yung ating tubig. Oo, bastos maning tricycle driver ni. My gosh, they're not thinking about their safety at all. So magpagasolina lang muna tayo kasi we have to stop by at the the 7-Eleven. Kailangan natin ng ng gas sa ating sasakyan. Yan. Ay nako, grabe guys, grabing mga pangyayari. Ay nako, we've been here for like 3 months and we've already had plenty of experience over here. Oh yeah, they're open. But we're just thankful for the experience. Bye Jollibee.
You took the video?
Naunsa man to si Jollibee, oy, nasaag.
Did you take the video?
Yeah.
Nuts.
Jollibee got lost. That's my favorite hardware. Oh. So, dito kami sa Dunkin' Donuts. Where there's my husband. Yeah. Order lang kami ng tuna sandwich. Tapos meron akong coffee. Ito ang kay Rachel. What's this? Masarap ang tuna sandwich nila dito guys. It's good. Cappuccino. Now she's feeling better. Grabe, gutom na gutom kami.
Guys, don't drink coffee. It smells weird.
Not all the time. ito yung order namin, guys. Ayan, meron kami garlic rice, bird's nest, and then chop suey. Wala itong shrimp. Ito na yung order